What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, back in the junkyard. Today we're gonna check out some G6s. It's been a drought on Caprices, but I might have a solution for that. So right now I'm trying to find, I think there should be like 4 new G6s over here. I checked out about 5 of them last week, but hopefully today we find what we're looking for, because I think I have about 6 or 7 total to look at. There's supposed to be a GT coupe in here. I like those 2-door seats. They're kind of hard to find with the G6s for me. They only come in so often. So it should be over here somewhere. So I think this might be one here. Alright, this is the coupe. Yep, no sunroof at all. Cloth seats. But this isn't one of them that I came to look at. I don't think so. 06 G6. Got some fans down there. So I'm just scoping these out real quick, and then let me hit you back. So we found 2 more, or 3 more really. This is the 05 Pontiac G6 4-door. This one does not have a roof. I mean, it has a normal sunroof. It does have the panoramic cloth seats, which, I mean, these are in decent shape. Might be hard to see it, so we don't want that. And then we got another, this is the GT actually, 08 Pontiac G6 GT coupe. It's locked up. This one does have the leather seats, but they're torn and worn out. I think that's just mud. That's ripped. I've never seen this cover. That's weird. Back seats look decent. And the only reason I like the coupe is because you can fold the chair down if you got a 2-door Caprice or Impala or whatever, Monte Carlo, whatever you want to put in it. Or put it in, I should say. So that's an L right there. Got a Cadillac 2-door. This is a 98 Eldorado. Yeah. This is a nice one because you got the controls in the seat. That's what I look for. These are really comfortable, actually. I might have to sit in this. This ain't bad. It's a nice car. Eldorado. See the back seats. I think these mirrors go for a good amount of money. Got the compass and the compass up in the corner. Those actually be some nice seats. A little worn out, but I would probably change the color on them, make them black. They actually look pretty nice. You wouldn't even see those distress marks too much. Little wheel cover. V8. But yeah, we ain't come for that. So the other one is down here actually. This gray one. So you got 05 Pontiac G6. Cloth seats. Sunroof. Some people like those sunroofs. I'm looking for panoramics. So that's another L. But anyway, let's go hunt for another one. So the actual first one's actually in the front. I'll walk right by it. It's an 06 Pontiac G6. Okay. So it has the black leather seats. But I don't know what that is going on in there. Looks like it had tape on it and just ripped off the black part of the vinyl, or the leather, I should say. That's weird. Yeah, it just like ripped the color off. That's weird. This thing is dusty. It's been sitting for a while, you can tell. Yeah, that's dead. Does have leather seats. Does have the sunroof. But not what we're looking for today. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna stay on the hunt and see what else we find. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. I actually came out here to look at some G6s, and I knew a 6.0 came in the yard. This is the 03 GMC Yukon. I don't see any kind of damage on it, but as you can see right here, 317 heads, 6.0, definitely a 6.0. So someone started to prep it, but they didn't pull it. There's some guys out here, so I'm guessing that's what they aiming to do, but they ain't got no truck. So if I wanted to, I could just come and pull this bitch. Straight up. Give me a 6.0 and be done. I didn't even noticed that before. It actually says 6.0 on the actual crank bolt. This one's a little rough. But yeah, I'm thinking about pulling it. Like I said, I don't need it. And this is the 03. So this should be like Gen 4. Just like the one from last week. But there you go, it's still here. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.